Well, hey folks, back up Flies RC. All right, we're going to take up the DYNAM TUCANO. Have a little bit of fun with her. It's a little windy, as you can see, but it's pretty much down the runway. Gonna make hard turning against the wind kind of hard, but that's okay. Mama not feeling well, and I'm not to the point where I need to stay home with her. She's fine, but she's a little sick to her stomach. She said, "You go ahead and fly. I don't think I'm going to stay home." And I'm like, "Well, okay." I said, "You sure?" She's like, "Oh yeah, definitely." You know, so I'm like, "Okay, I'm gonna go fly then." So I'll probably regret that later. Like, why did you leave? But you know, God bless them.
Timer reset.
All right, 5 minutes on the TUCANO. Here we go. This is an awesome plane. Awfully windy though. It is awfully windy.
Gear tucked away.
All right.
Wind rates 80.
All right. Running a 3300 4S in there. And I've got the drop tanks just glued on, just so you know. I'm so glad that I've got some clouds today. It makes it much better for filming when you got clouds.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
She flies very well inverted. Tail slide. Do a roll. Nice big roll. Yeah. I know I'm a long ways off there.
The gear is down.
Wasn't going to do a roll. It's just too windy to do that kind of a roll. I mean, I'm getting pushed around.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Whew. Yeah, I mean, look at my flags here. Come on, stay straight. That wind is hitting that rudder. I think you're turning around here. All right, definitely don't need flaps today. All right, here we go. They sent me out a whole new, you know, when I first got it, the fuse was crunched in the front.
Gear tucked away. And
the motor had a horrible whine to it. And I flew it that way anyways, but they said, we want you happy. So we're going to send you out a new fuse with all electronics, everything. So, I mean, they gave me a new canopy even. I mean, basically it's what you see right there. Just add the wing and add the tail. The motor, I mean, I had to use my prop, but motor, nose wheel, or nose wheel retract, everything was installed. Even the decals were already on it. All I had to do is bolt the wing on and the tail. And the prop, you know. So,
time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, the wind is having its way with her today. It is windy. I got the gains turned all the way off though. I only turn them up a little bit, maybe that'll help. I'm running an AR631 Spectrum receiver in there. Yeah, the wind is, you see she's rocking back and forth. I definitely don't want to try too much real low level, because if I get a sudden gust,
Gear is down.
and actually the wind is getting stronger. And I've heard it's going to go up to almost 20 miles an hour here in a little bit, so according to the weather. So I think we're going to call it quits. Except I don't like that.
Gear tucked away. 1 minute. The gear is down.
Put the gear back down. And I'm just going to get you a battery report, because we're really going to need to get out of here. All right. All right, I'll put a link to one of my other videos on this plane that will give you all my AS3 rates, settings and rates and everything, but we're gonna have to get out of here. I need to go home. Let me get you a battery report real quick. Prop is off. Make sure all my stuff's secure behind me. I'll be honest, I'm a little worried about Mom. I'm gonna go home and check on her. Okay. Oh gosh, still got 63% left. Yeah, I mean, I know she says everything's fine, go fly, have fun. You know, yeah. If y'all are a married man, you know, that maybe I shouldn't have left. All right, real quick, take a look at this beautiful plane. I mean, I love this plane. I absolutely love this plane. And now, yeah, I probably will end up getting the Avios Super Tucano, the other one, because I like it too. But I'll tell you what, if you can't afford the other one, you know, because it's $500, this is half price, this is $250. But I'll tell you what, if I can't get the other one, I'm perfectly happy with this one. But with me doing reviews of all different kinds of planes, that's the only reason I'm going to get it. And I glued the tanks on. She flies great with the tanks on, just the way she is. All right, well, God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, God is good, and that is the DYNAM TUCANO. Bye-bye.